You have taken off on me 3 different times, Mr. Osborne.
Hold up. Before we go on, quick translation. A PR bond means release without cash. The judge's this kid keeps saying nope because appearing. Red flag. When a court calls you a flight risk, that's not courtroom drama. It's paperwork that makes bail go way up. What would you do if the system stopped trusting you?
If you think that we are going to give you a PR bond, you are charged with assault bodily injury. You're facing a year in jail. You had an offer in this case.
This is the moment courts start tallying patterns. 1 missed hearing is a mistake, 3 is a trend. Judges don't punish for punishment's sake. They punish to protect the process. Think, are you keeping appointments like rent due dates or ghosting like bad texts?
Where they were going to dismiss this case, and you have repeatedly taken off, not once, not twice, but thrice. I am not going to give you a PR bond, and we are taking you into custody.
Watch how the judge flips from firm to almost parental. That line, "You'll be stuck like Chuck with me," is courtroom psychology. It's about removing incentives to skip court. Hot take. The courtroom is as much a behavioral lab as it is a legal arena.
Now, your bond is now set at $10,003 because of all the times that you have taken off. And I get that you're in high school, but the problem is that you have already taken off 3 times. If I let you go now, what does that tell you? It tells you that it's okay for you to do what you're doing and not to hold you accountable. And that's not what we do here. You need to understand that courts are here for a reason.
Fail to appear can trigger new warrants, higher bail, and sometimes new charges. It's not just missing a date. It's potentially escalating your whole legal life. Do we treat absence as innocence or avoidance?
We do court orders for a reason. And when you fail to comply, and when you fail to show, there are real world consequences. And I don't know if you have anyone that's going to bond you out. If not, you will be stuck like Chuck with me until this thing is over. And I'm going to tell you now, I'm not into this pleading guilty, time served just to get out, just to ruin your life. I'm not going to let you do that.
We accepted the PCI. The state said they would still accept the PCI.
I get it, but I'm not letting him out. I mean, it's 3 times the case. How old is this case?
Defense counsel pushing back. We tried to call. That's a classic mitigation strategy. It doesn't erase the booked misses, but it humanizes the defendant. Still, make no mistake, the judge hears pattern plus context and then makes policy choices in real time.
It's a year old, and
you set your bond at $10,000, so you post $1,000 with the bond.
Well, I don't know, because whatever they're going to charge you, I don't know. You're a flight risk. They may charge you more.
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
I don't recall even 3 times.
You have a criminal case. You know that you are supposed to keep up with it. There's no out of sight, out of mind. You should have enough wherewithal to say, you know what? I haven't had court.
I'm going to do it for myself, so if this ain't the place where you ask questions, okay? All right.
You should have enough wherewithal to know, you know what? I have court and I haven't heard in a long time. What's going on? The only reason you are here now is because what happened?
Bonding company is attempting to get the case reinstated and or a new bond set for them. That's it. We wanted to let the court know it was our fault for not notifying him of the May setting.
All of the sort. It's not your fault.
I do understand. Yes.
You know, if it was one time, okay, but we have 3 different times. It's unacceptable. Okay.
Music here isn't filler. It punctuates escalation. And notice the switch to "we want to help you" language. Courts can pivot from punitive to therapeutic when they think treatment might work. Should judges act like social workers?
If I may.
Sure.
He did miss court 3 times, but he missed the first one because I couldn't reach him because the phone number I had was disconnected. I reset it 2 more times to try to get in contact with him. So he didn't purposely miss 3 court dates. It's because I couldn't. The phone number I had for him.
He knows he has court, Mr. Schofield.
I understand.
You know, behavior has consequences, and now you're going to see that there are serious consequences to it. He goes with you. I'm not out for blood, but I want him to understand that we mean business. If he is unable to make a bond by tomorrow, then we can talk, and I'm happy to entertain perhaps something tomorrow. I get it that he's in high school, but I want him to understand that we mean business. And if I just let him go now, it's enabling him, and it's not a good thing. But I'm happy perhaps tomorrow, if he's unable to make bond, we can talk about a PR bond tomorrow.
Should we just set it for review for
He's
tomorrow?
gonna come back tomorrow regardless because they'll auto-populate.
Okay.
Because that's what happens when we take someone into custody, they auto-populate for the next day. So we can talk about it tomorrow about, because I'm not gonna let him plead guilty just to get out and just to get a conviction on this record. And I'm happy to do this, but I want him to understand that we mean business and we're not playing games. So if he's still here tomorrow, we can talk about doing a PR bond and we'll let him try that.
If the judge says ankle monitor plus curfew plus drug test, that's a hybrid. Release with strict supervision. It's a second chance, not a shortcut. Watch for the trade-off, freedom in exchange for constant oversight.
But I'm gonna tell you now, he gets an ankle monitor, curfew, and I'm gonna drug test him. And I'm gonna be his dad. That's it. Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Vidales.
Morning.
You know, believe it or not, we want to help you, but we need to have you evaluated. And every time we try to do that, you don't let them do it. The quicker way to get out is just talk to them. Let us know what's going on. And once that happens, we can work to try to get you released.
Man, I got my plans. I got like 1,000 deals going out of the free world. I got about 10,000 deals.
And I want to
out.
help you get to those deals, but can you help us with do the report?
I already did the report.
They said you wouldn't talk to them.
I did talk to them. They were asking me stupid Y98 questions, all types of stupid questions. I got 8 apartments. I got 8 bandos. I got 10,000 deals going on. I got all types of. I'm leaving Broadway. I'm not going back to no Broadway. I'm going to Honduras. I'm going to El Salvador. I'm going to Tokyo. Fuck Houston. I'm not staying in Houston. Houston is bullshit to me.
Oh, Houston's great. It's
Houston
hot.
is bullshit to me.
Why?
This is almost cinematic, the defendant bragging about 10,000 deals while pleading for release. The courtroom reads that as risk signaling. It's equal parts bravado and desperation.
It's always been bullshit.
And I love my town. It's just too hot. But other
I'm
than
leaving
that,
it.
great.
So can you please just let me go?
If you talk to my,
I already talked to them. I did talk to them.
but they told me you started acting up, then they couldn't talk to you because
Started
you,
asking me stupid. I'm gonna scare them back up again. I'm gonna scare them back again. I'm gonna tell them stop asking me stupid questions.
I mean, we're not gonna do anything until you talk to them.
That's a
people.
misdemeanor. That's a misdemeanor. Misdemeanor is 24 hours in jail. That's a ticket and a warrant.
How long you been in jail?
I've been in jail for 4 months. My charges are for 2
Was
weeks.
it 24 hours?
My charges are for 2 weeks in jail. Walgreens got their own policy.
Look, I want to help you out.
Walgreens got their own policy.
Talk to
If
them.
I steal $5 from Walgreens, that's a ticket and a warrant.
Mr. Arbenz, quit interrupting the judge. Listen to what he has
If
to
you
say.
talk to them,
Talk to who? Right now.
the
doctor.
doctors that come to see you.
I'm starving at this point. I'm starving. I eat $150 a week. I'm only ordering 1 bag of coffee. I'm starving. You got me sitting down looking like an idiot, starving.
Look, no one's looking at you like that.
I'm the one who's starving at this point. I could eat 10 chicken soups and 10 bags of chips, cheese, and then a whole bunch of coffee and chips and sodas and then water. I'm starving at this point. I'm starving. You got me sitting like an idiot, starving.
If I get you the food, will you talk to the people?
Right now,
Well, it's going to take a little bit of time.
you're gonna get me resetted again.
If you talk to them, we'll work to get you out. But be
I'm
nice.
not gonna talk to them. I'm refusing. I'm refusing.
And I'm going to set your case for trial then. We'll go to trial. If you're found guilty, then we'll just do the DDRP.
For what? For a misdemeanor?
Yeah. You keep picking
I'm
up.
not gonna even take it to trial.
I'm going to put it to trial.
How are you gonna put a misdemeanor to trial?
3 cases, and we can do one after the other. And if you're found guilty, at that point, we'll just.
I'm gonna drop off dead. I'm gonna act a fool. You can punch me down and put me back in.
Come on.
Come on, Mr. Vidales. Let's talk about it. Come on. All right.
What are you doing with yourself these days?
Looking for a job, but they don't want to hire me, but not really.
Tell me, what is the last time what have you done to look for a job?
What have I done?
Yes.
I went to the internet. I told my sister to go through the stuff. They want to hire pipe fitters.
Why you tell your sister to do it?
I'm really not good at that.
I don't think you really understand.
You need to learn how to use a computer.
They told me, and then I went to a friend of mine. Well, she's not really my friend, but she told me she could try to help me out. Cooking wings. That was my last resort. Wingstop.
go there and ask them for an application and apply. Why haven't you done that? We've set this case off for 3 different times now. What have you been doing with yourself all day, every day? If I drug test you now, what's gonna show up?
Aquí imagino, Richard.
I'm sending you right now. You've got me concerned the way you're acting right now, Mr. Galindo.
Judge warns no more bonds if you keep taking off. That's the court setting boundaries. Missed calls, revoked trust, revoked privileges. What would your boundary look like if you were the judge?
I'm sending you for a drug test. You must come right back. If you fail to go take your drug test, you take off from me. I'm gonna make your bond extremely high. Do you understand? Take a seat. How's jail? Well, when you don't take off, what happens? We're not asking for much. All we want you to do is show up. And
Judge, wait, can I speak?
No,
no, don't.
I got you.
I showed up.
She showed up, Judge. It's a new case that brought her back. It was a new case filing for.
Oh, she picked
felony.
up a robbery.
Yeah,
That's right.
That's what we said.
Okay, my fault.
You're good. She has shown up, and her bonds are posted. So as soon as she goes back,
I don't know if this is better.
no, it's not. But
Picked up a robbery.
No, but
Don't say more. Look,
I got you.
look, Ms. Visor, just be nice. It's not hard. That's all we're asking. If you pick up any new cases, holy moly, I'm gonna lose it. Don't pick up any new cases. You've made bond again now. The only thing I'm asking you to do, don't go to any Target and don't go back to Memorial City Mall. I am making that a condition of your bond. Do you understand? If you go back to one of these two places, the bond goes whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Okay? That's all I'm asking. And be nice. You have a lawyer. Stay in contact with a lawyer. They will tell you when you have to come back to court. If they tell me they can't get a hold of you because you're taking off, no more bonds. I'm going to revoke it and I'm going to raise it up. Do you have any questions?
no, sir.
Okay. You're on the robbery case as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We can give you the same date as that robbery case as well.
That's not pretty.
And then,
I got it.
yeah, this case isn't too old. So, okay, ma'am.
And her bonds are posted. She's getting cut out as soon as she gets back. So
Okay. All right, Ms. Visor, good luck.
thank you, Judge.
All right. But wait, Deputy Anderson, she needs to sign. Okay. Brandon, you ready? Okay. Doug, you know, Mr. Akers, I was going to give you the benefit of the doubt as far as meth. Shh. Hey, we need to talk. As far as meth, cocaine, amphetamines, ecstasy, THC, I was going to give you the benefit of the doubt on all that because I know, because you tested positive just a couple days ago, that you were probably going to test positive today again. But alcohol is a different story. That doesn't stay in your system 2 days, 3 days. No. And I'm going to tell you now, Mr. Akers, the days of catch and release, done.
The judge says catch and release is over. That's a pivot point. When a court moves from leniency to enforced treatment, it signals both frustration and a willingness to try harder interventions. When mercy runs out, what happens next will shock you.
Guess what happens now? So I think that at this stage in the game, because we've had so many issues with Mr. Akers, I think probably a TRAS is what we need to do to figure out how we go forward here. But I think that I'm going to do, Mr. Akers, I'm going to do everything in my power to help you. I know that you're not going to like it, and I know that you're going to go kicking and screaming, but I'm going to tell you now, that's it. It's done. And I'm not going to take anything because I want you to get the help that you need. You understand? Okay, goes with you.
And then I'll just.
There's nothing, no justification you can get.